But we're taking a look at this AI application here. As you can see, a lot of templates which you can use, and all you have to do is pretty much tap on the one I want. For example, this one here, and all you have to do is upload a clear image of yourself, and you pretty much get this result. Very easy. So you just tap on this here, we'll redirect it to your gallery, and you select your photo, and you're pretty much good to go. So a lot of templates which you can use, as you can see here, you have the trending ones. You can tap on the view all option here to see all the AI effects which you can use. You have the superhero section, you have the transformation section, a lot of sections, as you can see here. You have the product section as well, 360 microwave option here. Nothing much for that. So as you can see there. So in the video generation or video AI video section here, as you can see, you have two models which you can use. You have Video 3.
What's the best AI video app out there right now?
Vimo AI.
The one and only.
This section here, and as well you have the image, or should I say video generation section, text to video, and you have the image to video option. Here you pretty much enter your prompt, and as well do make sure you follow the guidelines as it relates to you generating a video using this application here. As you can see here, do make sure you go through everything and make sure you follow the guidelines so you can generate the best videos possible. So at the top here, you can also tap on the surprise me option. If you don't have anything in mind, then it will generate something for you. And as well, do make sure this is enabled so you can pretty much fix any errors within the prompt. Down here now, you can go ahead and select the model that you want to use. Select this option here, you can see all the very popular models out here, AI models which you can use. And do keep in mind, this application here is not free. You're going to need a subscription to even use it. So that's pretty much it for that. Here, you have the no style section here. You can select whichever style you want to use. And here you have a lot of other styles, but you're going to need a subscription to use those styles as well. So that's pretty much it for that. There you have the graphics settings, pretty much have the ultra by default. So this is pretty much a high quality application as it relates to video generations. So do keep that in mind as well. So down here you have the option to select how long you want the video to be. And let me tell you guys, the higher the quality, the more amount of credit you're going to need to generate the video. And as well, you get the aspect ratio, how you want the video to look. As you can see here, these two other options, you're going to need a pro subscription to use. So you have some advanced settings here, which you can as well select. As you can see, you have the camera angle, which is very important based on the video that you want to generate. And as I said before, you're going to see all of these here. Pretty much need a subscription, as you can see there. So for this section here, as I was saying, once you have selected everything that you pretty much want, you're pretty much good to go. You just tap on the generate video, and it should be generated. And once generated, it should go over here where it says works, and you should be able to find it over here. So for the text to video, as you can see, a very same procedure. Upload it, select your prompt, upload the image, and then you start generating your video. As you can see here, and also go ahead and select the AI model that you want to use. So that's really pretty much it for this application here. So do keep in mind when selecting your model to make sure to understand which is best for image generation and which is best for video generation. So do look up each model so you can select the best one for the best results. So that's pretty much it for that there. And as I already explained, the AI effects section as well. So as it relates to the subscription for this application, you pretty much have to tap on one of these features here, or tap on the generate video feature to be able to see the subscription page. They don't have any exclusive section for you to see the subscription page, but however, this is pretty much the subscription page. You can see their prices and pretty much their yearly subscription, and as well they do offer unlimited AI generation or video generation. I'm not sure how true this is, or how, if there's any limit as to how much video you can generate per day. I'm not sure it should be the case, but I'm not sure about that as well, but you can give it a try. Let me know in the comment section if it's truly unlimited. Once you get their subscriptions, you can see have a weekly subscription and a yearly subscription. So that's really pretty much it for this AI application here. And if I've missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section and see if we can help you out. See you in the next one.